Hello everyone, for our annual fishing trip this year, we decided to choose Lochcarron and Applecross area. This part of Scotland has an abundance of hill lochs set in magnificent scenery with most holding excellent wild brown trout. We left Glasgow early this morning hoping to arrive at our cottage in good time to able to have an evening fishing session. The route through Glencoe is spectacular, one of the most scenic and beautiful places in the Scottish Highlands. Scotland is filled with majestic mountains, rolling hills and beautiful waterfalls. On a sunny day, drive through Glencoe was brilliant with Munro Peak surrounding the area in full view with clear visibility. Fort William was our pit stop for a little break before our onward journey that included a brief stop at Eilean Donan Castle to take in the magnificent views on offer. Arriving at our destination around 5 p.m, we quickly organized our belongings and had a dinner, then headed out for a short evening session. Due to limited time, Loch in Attadale Hills was our port of the call for the evening. This loch can easily be reached from Ailean following a hill path. It took us around half an hour to get to the loch. It's a beautiful wee loch with magnificent views of Lochcarron and surrounding hills. As soon as we arrived, it was obvious fishing was going to be tough. There was a mirror-like stillness on the loch. To make the matters worse, midges were out in sheer numbers. Setting out our rod with a team of buzzer, we quickly started fishing and our team leader hooking a fish on second cast. This put our hopes up for the evening. Although we caught a few modest-sized trout, overall fish were not as obliging and difficult to tempt in clear and calm water. Nevertheless, it was a good start to our fishing trip with weather forecast looking great for the rest of the week. Hopes and anticipation in the camps are very high. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like it. Do remember to join us for upcoming more exciting adventures. See you all until our next video. Stay safe. Cheerio.